One vehicle has been turning heads all month long. A Jeep filled with skeletons rolling through the streets of Denton, joining in on the 31 days of Halloween.
So this is kind of my part in doing it.
Behind the wheel is Denton resident Travis McFadden, who's also known around town as That Dog Dude. Says this all started as a playful promotion for his business.
Last year we had the 12-foot skeleton on it by itself, and this year just thought we'd go a little more out, and it got out of hand.
While it may look chaotic, Travis assures that every skeleton is strapped in.
Despite what people might think, I've never lost a single piece. Everything is extremely secured. Even if one part would break off, it's pretty much going to stay on thanks to a bunch of ties.
And now his spooky Jeep has gone viral, getting almost 8 million views on just one TikTok. And drawing attention everywhere it goes.
People will honk at me every once in a while, and people will purposely make sure to pull into parking lots where we're parked and take pictures, and don't mind it at all.
Riding around with 27 skeletons might not be your typical carpool, but for Travis, it's all a part of the fun during Denton's 31 days of Halloween.
Life's short, and when someone sees us randomly on the road, it's kind of a little bit of shock value. We hear from a lot of people it makes their day. Some people think it's really silly, some people hate it, but it seems to be like a 50-1, so we think it's worth it.
And he doesn't plan to stop. He hopes to make it even bigger and better in the years to come.
As long as people enjoy it, we'll keep doing it.
In Halloween, Texas, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.